Full Disclosure has been the lone voice covering the travesty of the arrest of former U.S. Prosecutor Richard I. Fine, who was jailed in the harshest possible condition of solitary coercive confinement for 18 months, merely for civil contempt of court. Alan Paracchini was the public affairs officer for the Los Angeles Superior Court, and he knew what was going on.
Mr. Fine was the subject of an enormous amount of just visceral hatred on the part of the judges.
The judges' hatred for Mr. Fine completely abrogated any sense of justice, and everybody in the courthouse knew it.
It became just a vindictive action that was maintained simply because of the enmity with which Mr. Fine was viewed by judges.
Mr. Fine was a loud voice accusing the judges of taking bribes from the county. According to the California State Constitution, the Superior Court judges were to receive their salaries from the state.
But the Los Angeles Superior Court judges were accepting additional benefits from LA County over and above their salaries.
What possible justification were the judges using to protect these illegal payments?
It was all about money and benefits. For a judge to allow himself to be called as a witness in a contempt trial and then rule on objections pertaining to his own testimony was beyond the pale of imagination.
There's a name for people who are jailed merely for criticizing government officials.
Mr. Fine was effectively a political prisoner for a year and a half. That was unconscionable. Shouldn't have happened. Shouldn't have been allowed to happen.
What was the real reason he was thrown into jail?
This wasn't about contempt. This wasn't about getting him to disclose whatever it was he was directed to disclose. It was about getting back at him and wanting to keep him quiet.
Alan Paracchini was the public affairs officer for the Los Angeles Superior Court. You may be horrified by what he has to say about our justice system. Next on Full Disclosure.
You can watch this program in its entirety by becoming a Full Disclosure Insider, or you can purchase the DVD on our website. Full Disclosure will continue to bring you the news behind the news.